They make out that like all these people that are doing really bad stuff are actually Muslim, but at the end of the day they're not, because they do not share the same morals as what Islam actually is.
Weithiau mae'r ffeithiau maen nhw'n clywed yn y wasg yn anghywir I beth mae Muslimiaid fel arfer yn gwneud yn bywyd pob dydd.
I think Islam in the media is portrayed very aggressively, very violently and very negatively.
I think people like just look at stuff that's in the media and they assume, like the general, that all Muslims may be a terrorist.
Them terrorists that we do not agree on at all. We don't agree with anything they say or anything they do.
There's differences between actual Muslim and the people who do the terrorist attacks. We're not the same people.
Certain actions of some people are taken as the actions of the whole of the Muslim community, and I feel like that shouldn't happen.
Be maen nhw'n clywed o'r wasg am y grŵp terfysgaeth ISIS, maen nhw'n meddwl bod Muslimiaid arferol yn neud pethau fel yna pob dydd, dydy'r gwybodaeth yna ddim yn gywir.
I think that, like Christianity, if someone were to go out there and do something wrong, then I don't think the whole religion would be blamed.
The fact that it's always portrayed as women are oppressed, because I can tell you now I am not.
Muslims are individuals and we've still got personalities. We still argue with people, we still eat dinner, we're just normal people. And it's important for people to see us as who we are, more as what our religion is, because although religion is an important aspect and we should take it seriously, it shouldn't be like what judges us and what makes us people.